guys, so people often ask me, what's the best pre-law curriculum? What do I need to take in college to make sure that I'm prepared for law school? Do law schools look for certain majors? I'm here to tell you that there is no one major or group of majors that law schools really want to make sure that you have. In fact, law schools are really committed to having a diverse group of students in their classrooms. I remember at Harvard, there were students in my class who were chemistry majors and biology majors, some who were engineers, and some, like me, were English majors. So what's the best thing to study? The thing that makes you happy. But you want to make sure that you have strong writing skills. Writing, research, and analytical skills are what's going to make for a strong law school student. There can be great advantages, though, for having a STEM degree before going to law school. For example, there are certain lawyers, IP lawyers, patent lawyers, who really benefit from coming from that scientific background. They're able to understand their clients' needs in a way that I, as an English major, never could. You can't underestimate the number of job opportunities you can get from having that kind of varied background. But again, you just want to make sure that you're taking those strong reading and writing classes. You know, if you're a STEM major, if you're, a biology major and engineer, make sure that you're sneaking in at least, 1 or 2 writing classes, or working on your skills outside of the classroom to make sure that you can write those strong personal statements, but also prove to law schools that you're going to be successful, because law school is a lot of reading. It's a lot of reading. It's a lot of writing. So you want to make sure that you yourself are academically prepared and you're not getting yourself into something that, may be more difficult or that you're not prepared for. But again, just because you major in math or a STEM field, in art or in music or dance, doesn't mean that you can't be a successful law school student. One of my really good friends in law school was a professional dancer for 18 years before coming to law school. And her experience really shaped and informed how she went to law school and, her passion for becoming an entertainment lawyer. So absolutely, do what makes you happy, study what you love, but make sure that you get those strong skills. I hope this video has been helpful to you. As always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and law school admissions tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.